regarding the multiplication, addition and subtraction for polynomials and algebraic expressions. So first question on the board, identify the terms and coefficients for the expression 1 plus x squared. So yes, what can be the terms? There are three terms you see. One term is 1, other term is x, and the third term is x squared. These are the terms. And coefficients basically are the numerical coefficients. So what are the three coefficients? These are the terms, and the coefficients. Okay, that's the coefficients will be. This is the first part. So second part of the question is coefficient is 1. X and x square again. So coefficients basically are 1, and so 1 is the coefficient. This is 1, and there is no other coefficient, right? So for the second part of the question, again the terms will be. The question is 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square plus z square. So the terms are one term, three terms. First term is 4x square y square. Second term is minus 4x square y square z square. And the third term is z square. So these are the terms. So in the second question, 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square plus z square. The three terms are 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square, and the third term is z square. And the coefficients are 4, minus 4 and 1. Terms are 4, minus 4 and z square is what? 1 z square. Okay. These are the terms. So these are the terms, and these are the coefficients. These are the coefficients, because there are two parts of this question. So terms I already told you, these are the terms, and the coefficients are 4, minus 4 and 1. These are the, and here in the terms are, it's just 1. X means 1x, right? So these are the terms, 1, 1 and 1. So now next part of the question, 8x square minus 5xy plus 3y square. This is first term. Second term, 2xy minus 6y square plus 3x square, and the third term is y square plus xy minus 6x square. So the second part of this question is basically addition. First part was basically to tell you the terms and the coefficients. It was a little simple question to start with, and now we'll just do the additions. Answer I've already mentioned it. Let's now solve it. So first I group all the like terms. So like terms are how? 8x square is there. That's in the first term. In the second term, I see 8x square and 3x square. So let's club it together. 8x square plus 3x square. Don't waste time. Just arrange all the like terms together. 8x square plus 3x square, and in this one minus 6x square. You see, these are the like terms. These are the like terms, right? Then you put minus 5xy from, again go back to this part, minus 5xy. Let's see if xy is there in all the terms. Minus 5xy, again this is 2xy plus 2xy. Just be very careful of the signs, plus and minus. And then 3y square in this, plus 3y square, and the second term in y square minus 6y square. Okay, one thing I missed. There is another xy term, because in, let's just see, minus 5xy plus 2xy and plus xy also. And then we go further, plus 3y square minus 6y square and plus y square. So now just check, if you want to check in the first part of the question, how many terms are there, total terms, total expressions, 1, 2, or you can say these are terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is matching, so which means we have not missed anything. So just this is the first step. Whenever you do the answer, just see if you have taken all the terms, right? Okay. So now we can simply add 8x square plus 3x square is 11x square minus 6x square. 11 minus 6 is 5x square. This is 5x square. Okay, it's matching. Okay, now 5xy. So in you know BODMAS, BODMAS, which is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So first we will do the addition and then we will do the subtraction. So you will see minus 5xy, 2xy, and xy. So 2xy plus xy is how much? 3xy. Now 3xy minus 5xy, how much? Minus 2xy. Minus 2xy. And then in the end, what we do? Again, first we will do the addition and then the subtraction. Okay. So addition is how much? 3y square and y square is 4y square, and 4y square minus 6y square, which is minus 2y square. Minus 2y square. We got the answer. Okay. Now let's do the third question. Again addition. 6a plus 8b minus 5c. 2b plus c minus 4a. Second part of the question. And the third is a minus 3b minus 2c. Again we will combine the like fractions, sorry, like terms. So let's see. Now I'll start with 6a. There is 6 minus 4a plus a. This is the first part of the term. Now we take 8b plus 8b. Let's see if any terms with a b variable. Plus 8b plus 2b and minus 3b. See, very simple. Then minus 5c plus c, and in this one minus 2c. If you see, these are the this is the combination of the like terms, right? So first we combine the like terms and then we just add or subtract them as the question asks us. If there is any unlike term, then we just leave it and just put it with the like terms. And as I see, when I combine these terms, they are all like terms. So, but the first part of the question, again you check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So 6. Now again the same rule of BODMAS. First we do the addition and then the subtraction. 6a plus a is 7a. 7a minus 4a is 3a. You can write this if you want to. 7a minus 3a plus again we add 8b plus 2b is 10b. 10b minus 3b if you want to, but you can even do it directly. And then minus 5c plus c minus 2c. So c is actually 1c, and you see minus 2c and minus 5c how much? Minus 7c. Minus 7c and then 1c. So 1c minus 7c. First we do the add. So 1c minus 7c is minus 6c. But you can write if you want minus 7c plus c. So now you can happily do it. You can always write equal to in these questions whenever you are solving. So is equal to 7a minus 3a, 4a. Sorry, this is how much? 6a minus 4a plus a. This was coming to as 3a. Let me see where I have done a mistake. 6a plus a, 7a. 7a minus 4a. Okay, 7a minus 4a. Just a writing mistake. 7a minus, because 4a mentioned it. 7a minus 4a is 3a. 3a plus 10b minus 7b, 7b and minus 6c. This is the answer. Should be C here. Okay, matching. Now let's do subtraction. Subtraction, subtract 3x square minus 6x minus 4. This is first term. First algebraic expression. Terms are how many terms? 1, 2, 3 terms. This is basically a trinomial. So let me see. These are all terms. These are all terms, and this was one expression. So just remember. Again, we just a recap of the concepts. these are all terms. 3x square, 6x and 4 are terms, 3 terms, and this is basically a algebraic expression which is a trinomial. So now subtract this from this. So this will take at the top, because if I tell you subtract 7 from 9, so 9 from 9 will be at the top. So from this, so this goes at the top. 5 plus, always when in subtraction, just remember, do it just keep space, don't just club it all together. In the concept I told you the same thing. You just don't have to just club it all together closely, just keep distance, because otherwise you may make a mistake. So this is first, and then you put minus 3x square. Okay, you put 3x square over here. Okay, and then you put the 3x square over here, minus 6x, and then what is it? Minus 4. So this is it. And this was, you can put this way also, because the minus is up outside. I've done nothing, I've just clubbed it in this vertical form. Remember now one thing in subtraction, a very basic rule. This is 3x square, you can write plus 3x square. Now whenever you're doing this subtraction, see, I've done nothing, I've just mentioned 3x square same way. You just put a minus and then put a bracket and then put the same expression inside. 3x square below 2x square, minus 6x and then minus 4. Don't get worried about the signs, everything, just put the same expression, put a minus sign because it's minus, then put a bracket before the expression starts, and then put it accordingly. The whole expression, if you are doing in the horizontal form, because I thought to put it this way, because see, basically it's all getting clubbed. So I put in 3x square below 2x square, then I put minus 6x, and then I put minus 4. Now you just, in minus, what happens? Whatever signs are there, just put opposite signs. So instead of minus, it becomes plus over here. Instead of minus, it becomes plus over here. Instead of plus, it becomes minus. So this is very important to write, because this will be the ultimate signs which we will take care. So if we have to minus, we will not take this minus. Don't forget this minus here. Take these signs. So what we actually do now? 5 plus 4, which is 9. This is okay. What I have done, you have to, because it's a minus, you have to put minus and put the same expression inside in brackets. Now third step, reverse the signs. Minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So now when you actually do the subtraction, you have to see these signs which are at the bottommost point. So 5 plus 4, 9. 1x plus x is 1x. So 1x plus x, 6x, 7x. No, not minus 6x, plus, because the last is plus. The signs which are at the bottom. Plus 7x. Minus 2x square. Minus 3x square, which is minus 5x square. Because the signs which are at the bottom have to be seen. You don't put anything like this. So this is how you do these questions. This is the answer. And this answer is 9. Now let's do the multiplication. Some question on multiplication further. Sorry, this was basically addition and subtraction. We're doing nothing, we are just clubbing the like terms, and then we are adding or subtracting accordingly, right? Addition was a little bit okay. Subtraction was even easier. So what you do when you do subtract, you do from. It is subtract from something. The from term will come at the top. The term then which is other term, the other expression will come at the bottom. Just put a minus sign and put the whole term inside brackets. Same terms you just write. If they can be clubbed in the like terms, you can do it. And then you change the signs. Minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. And then you actually do the subtraction. 5 plus 4, not minus 4, 5 plus 4. 1x plus 6x minus 2x square plus 6, no, it is not minus 2x square plus 3x square, no, because the plus becomes minus now. That is minus 2x square minus 3x square. This is the answer, right? I hope this is clear to you. Now let's do the volume of a rectangle. Volume of a rectangle is what? Length into breadth into height. Because not same thing they are given. So let's now multiply 2ax into 3by into 5cz. Why have I given you this question? Because as I mentioned to you, monomial into monomial is a monomial. So what do you see? This is these are monomials. When you multiply monomial by monomial, even if there are three terms, right? So it will be a monomial. Let's see in multiplication. So equal to sign again, equal to. So this we can write this as 2 into 3 into 5 into ax into by into cz. This becomes 6 5 are 30. This becomes abc x y z. This is just a way of writing, because anyways abc can club, x y z can club. Otherwise these are all terms, because this is multiplication, this is answer also. So why I took you this question? Why I took this question for you? Because I mentioned to you in the concepts that monomial into monomial is a monomial. So that's why this question is very important. And what is the if you have been given the length, breadth, and height of any figure and or maybe a rectangle, it's basically a cuboid. So it is simply a multiplication of length, breadth, and height. Find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now length is given 9y, breadth is given 4y. Very simple. Answer is there. Let's solve it. Length into breadth is equal to, you can write area of a rectangle. So length is 9y into 4y square is equal to you can club the numbers together. 9 into 4 into y square is equal to 36y cube. Again monomial into monomial. These are the three. Monomial into monomial is a monomial. So this is the whole concept of these questions. Now solve again similar question. See how good when you do the questions. When I tell you the concept, okay, that's okay, fine. Some part is clear. Some part will be clear with the question. So you will now never forget that monomial into monomial is a monomial, because we will do 3 questions. We have done 3 questions. Now we have done 2 questions. Now we are on the 3rd question. See, 2x into 5y into 7, and simply you have to solve or multiply. So you can put this is equal to 2 into 5 into 7 into x into y into z. This becomes 10 into 7, 70 x, y, z. These questions appear to be simple, but because these are conceptual questions, I always tell you in maths, conceptual questions are important. Now, when you do these questions on monomial into monomial, you are very much sure that yes, I have done 3 questions, so this concept is very much clear to me. I have also known, then I told you how to group the like terms. So basically I have taken questions wherein the like terms can be grouped, so that you know how the concept of like terms can be grouped. We will get some questions wherein you have a like terms and unlike terms, then we will just put the unlike terms, because we cannot do any addition or subtraction of the unlike terms. We can still multiply them. So what are these? These are all unlike terms, right? They can still be multiplied, right? So now let's move further. The 8th question, simplify. X into x minus 3. I told you the question of that distributive law, wherein I took this one question of in the previous concepts. There was one question on distributive law. Same thing, x equal to 1, solve this. So this is what, put the distributive law, this is equal to x into x minus x into 3. X will be multiplied by all the terms inside the bracket. So this becomes x square minus 3x. Now you just put x equal to 1. So x equal to 1. Now x is equal to 1. So this becomes 1 square minus 3 into 1 is equal to 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. But answer is 0. So what's the mistake we have done? 1 square is x square minus 3x, yeah. So 3x is 3 into 1, 3 minus 3, and x is 1. 1 square minus 3 into 1 into 1, 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Or should it be, I think it should be minus 1 here. Let me see. X into minus 1. No, this is not 0. This is the answer. Simplify x into x minus 3. So sorry, this is not 0. This answer will be minus 2. Unless I think if there's something other question, answer is equal to minus 2. Simplify x into x minus 3. Okay, if I would have taken this as plus, then see this would have been plus 3x, 1 plus 3. This would have been 4. Okay, now this is the answer. It's not 0. Very simple. X into x minus 3. I'm just replacing x by 1. So this becomes x square minus 3x. X square minus 3x. So x 1 square is 1 minus 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3. So minus 3. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Okay, fine. So now let's move further. This is the distributive law. So we'll be using distributive law in multiplication questions now. With basically these are binomials. When binomial into binomial, so how do we actually solve? So this was a monomial into a binomial. Now let's see this. This can be written as x. Now each term term will be multiplied by this expression. So x into 2x plus 3. Then you put the same sign, minus 4 into 2x plus 3. This is the first term. This is what? Distributive law. This is the distributive law. This will be multiplied by this. This will be again multiplied by this. All of this. Right? This is the distributive law. You can write if you want to. Distributive. Usually in these questions we use this distributive law. So now what happens? Now we just expand this. And so what happens here? Let's see. This is 2x square plus 3x minus 4 into 8x. 4 into is 8x minus 8x. Minus plus is minus, and 4 3 is 12. See, remember this? Plus into plus is equal to plus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. Minus into plus is equal to minus. And minus into minus is equal to plus. These are the laws of multiplication of the signs. Always remember this. Plus into plus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus, again minus. And minus into minus, plus. Same thing I did. So this basically we are just expanding this. 2x into x, 2x square. Plus 3x. Minus 4 into 2, 3. Minus and plus is minus. Minus plus is minus, so minus 8x. Again minus plus minus. So minus, then minus 4 into minus 3. Minus 4 into 3, minus 12. So now, see this, like terms. This is the concept. Combine the like terms, so we can add them or subtract them. So 2x square and 3x, 2x square. So now plus 3x minus 12. Is this the answer? Yes, this is the answer. Why? Because now we cannot, these are all unlike terms. We cannot do anything on this. Right? This is the concept. Unlike terms have to be told to rest, and you just keep them there. You don't have to add or subtract. Now let's move further. Multiply a plus b by with 7a square b square. So just write this same way. A plus b 7a square b square. Okay, so first step is equal to a with the whole 7a square b square, again plus b with the whole of the expression. All the terms of this will be multiplied by the second expression. So this is the same thing I am doing. Same thing I did over here. Same thing I did. Distributive law again. You can write if you want to by distributive law. Distributive law. Okay. So what happens here? This becomes 7a cube. 7a cube b square plus 7a square b cube. Simply when you multiply. Can we now do anything? If this would have been a square, so again you can do nothing. This is the answer also. You cannot, these are unlike terms. You cannot add them further. This is the answer. First step is the most important, the distributive law. Each term will be, this first will take this term a, and put this whole with this plus sign and then b term again whole of this here. Simple. This is the distributive law. Now two binomials, same thing, don't worry. First term 3x square, put the whole of this 2x square plus 3y square, then again plus y square and whole term 2x square plus 3y square. So now we solve this. 3 into 2 is 6, x square into x square is x4, then we put a plus, then 3 3 is 9, x square y square, x square into y square. This part is done. Now we put y square plus y square into 2x square, the 2 will be there, x square y square, again plus plus is plus, 3 will be 3 only, and y square into y square is y4. So now what we do? Now we see the like terms here. You see the like terms? So this becomes plus 11 x square y square. Rest is all unlike terms. 6x4 x6x4 plus 3y4. You cannot, these are again unlike 6y4 and x. This is not 3x4. Then we would have made it 9x4. This is 3y4, 6x to the power 4. But these are like terms we added, and now this is the answer, and this is also the answer here. Fine. There's one question for your homework, but I'll give you the same step of the distributive law, but answer is given here. First the question is 2x square minus 5x plus 4 trinomial into another trinomial x square plus 7x minus 8. If you solve this, answer will be 2x4 plus 19x cube minus 47x square plus 68x minus 32. That's for your homework, but then I'll give you the step here. So just whatever be the question, this is not, this seems to be a big question. It's not very difficult question. If this question comes, it will be coming for a good 3 or 4 marks. So just first step is the most important. First term take 2x square and put the whole term on the whole of the second term with this x square. I'm not doing anything different. I'm doing same thing for all the questions. Right? You can see this. Now I put the second term minus 5x. Again I put the same term x square plus 7x minus 8. Now I put the third term 4 plus 4 x square minus 5x 4. With all these terms I am multiplying the whole of this second expression, which means the whole of this is getting multiplied by x square plus 7x minus 8. X square plus 7x. Okay, I'll give one more step. This becomes 2x4 plus 7 2s are 14. X square into x is x cube. Minus plus is minus 16x square. Got this? Now minus into plus is minus. You put this minus 5 x cube. Now minus plus is minus 7 5 is 35. X square, x into x. Again minus into minus is plus. You just keep on solving directly. Don't need to put another brackets and all. Now just open the brackets and do this thing. Minus into plus is minus. Simple, write it. Minus into plus is again minus, and minus into minus is plus. Plus 8 5 the 40 plus 40x. Now plus 4x square plus 28x minus 30. Now I think you can solve it. Now you solve it. Chapter on algebraic expressions. So I hope you like this chapter. That was basically on addition, subtraction and multiplication. And then we just go now to the next part of the video, which is on division and basically the 3 standard identities of algebraic expressions, which is basically a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a square minus b square. So till then, on this video, if you like it, give a like, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Score More, and I will keep on updating you on which I can do best on 6th, 7th and 8th for maths and science, and do share it with your friends. Also, do not forget to click the bell icon so that you don't miss upon any of the notifications I keep on sending you. Till then, students, you all have a great day and enjoy.